everyone, welcome back, y'all. We are back and we're going to talk about St. Patrick's Day, which is March 17th. Now, I do know that March 17th is not today. It is Sunday, but y'all, I'm working ahead. And I had a really good question about how do I work ahead and put no spin stickers on days that we haven't even reached. The bottom line is this: I have strategically planned out my entire week. Yes, something could happen. And if it does, I can just pull the sticker off, put an expense sticker down, and update you all. But my weeks are pretty much planned. I do have a little hiccup in the road coming up, so that's where I'm going to talk to you. One of my dogs, Jaya, has developed a mass on her side and partially her back. Now, she is a Chihuahua Dachshund mix, which is considered a Chiweenie, and she will be going into the vet this week to get that taken care of so we can go ahead and check out and see what it is and get a biopsy done. So it was something that just popped up a few days ago. I'm not very comfortable about it, so I am taking her to the vet. I was planning on this entire week only having one spin day, and that would be tomorrow the 17th for groceries. But unfortunately, we are going to have a pet day this week as well. My son is currently making the sticker for that. So not only can it go up in our shop, but so that I can use it myself. So he did make some stickers today, and we are also going to show you a grocery pack that we are putting together for our shop. My mystery boxes haven't gone up as planned because we are still trying to figure out the logo for the box. So with that being said, we'll have that done tonight. We'll get that put up, and then this grocery buffer will be put up at some point tonight because it's already done. We just need to get it, taking pictures of it and get it put up and listed. So Jessica, on the 17th, if you'll just go ahead and pull a grocery sticker for me and put it on the 17th for me. That is all that she needs to do, y'all. Now, like I said, we do have a pet sticker that we are creating right now too. All of our functional and planning stickers we are actually creating ourselves now, so that not only we can sell it on our shop over at Challenge Your Wallet on Etsy, but so that I can use them as well. So with that being said, yes, we're going to have a grocery day tomorrow. I'm planning for it. And we are going to have a pet day at some point this week. I do need to speak with the veterinarian tomorrow, so I know when I can bring Jaya in and make sure that she gets checked out. Since I'm bringing her in anyways, I'm going to go ahead and bring in Belladonna with her as well so that they can get their shots. But I already have pet money pulled aside in my sinking funds, so the girls will go in this week. And next month, I will take Tucker and Romeo, who are my male Chihuahuas, in next month to get their shots and their updates done for their health check. So that will conclude March 17th for us. I like the fact that I'm doing this almost daily now because that allows me to stay on track as well. I do want to talk to you about our grocery buffer. I had this on our original shop and it did really, really well. Now I'm going to offer it in two different sizes. This is the half sheet, which is 15 scratch stickers, or a full page 30 scratch stickers. Now you'll be able to choose either gold or silver stickers for scratch spots, and it's going to come as a kit. Now this is a $100 grocery buffer, but you're going to be able to choose your amount based on what your needs are. Because I can't tell you how many times I've gone to the grocery store and gone to the front and the prices are different than what I had assumed it was going to be for groceries, and I've been over. There's been times that I like to just go on my app and do it so I know exactly what my groceries are before I check out. And then if I need to adjust, I can. But sometimes the prices on the shelf at the store is not what they're ringing up at the counter when you go to check out. So this is just a specific, just a $100 grocery buffer. But again, both this is the half size, the full size is a full sheet. You'll be able to choose your amount, and we'll put it over your scratch spots. This is one of our popular tools. This is our rainbow scratch off tool, and I absolutely love it. Again, remember, we sell these in gold, rose gold, silver, and this is the rainbow one. So we have that for the pack as well. Also with that, you will get 10 grocery stickers. So if you do 2 grocery shops a week, this is 4 stickers per, no, I'm sorry. If you do 2 grocery shops per week and there's 5 weeks in a month, because I just want to make sure we're okay, because I know there's most months are only 4 weeks, but then you'll have a little extra. You can go ahead and use 2 per week, or if you only do 1 grocery shop every 2 weeks or whatever your schedule is, you have plenty of grocery stickers for that as well. And then also with that, you will receive your IOU card that is laminated in case you scratch a spot that is not got as much money as you need to put in it. Say you scratch the spot and it's got like a 20 and you can only put in a 5, you're short. Then you'll put $15 on here, work it down until you get to 0, and then you can go ahead and put that back in your envelope. And you definitely will be getting a grocery buffer dashboard as well, and it will come in an A6 size envelope. They fit nice and neatly into this envelope as well. This is a flap A6 envelope. I absolutely love these envelopes, and it fits nice and neat into there. So this is our grocery buffer kit that you can receive. Now, just so that you know, I'm trying to find the stickers here, y'all. Just so you know, these tools are not sold with the kit currently right now, but there is an option to purchase one in every single one of our scratch off kits. If you purchase it within the kit itself, in the selection where it says scratch tool, you can choose gold, rose gold, silver, or rainbow, or there's an option for no tool. Then if you purchase it with the kit, you'll actually get it for $5. If you purchase it standalone in our shop, you will actually pay $6 for the scratch tool. So you do get a little bit of a discount if you actually purchase it within the kit. So yes, we are starting to finally get our stickers done. Our no spin stickers should be starting to go up tonight as well. We're going to try to do the listing for all 12 months, January through December, in one listing. That way you can drop the box down and decide which no spin set you want. Remember, those will come in a set of 32 stickers, and they will be themed for each one of the months. So Philip is currently working on getting that listing up now. This grocery buffer listing will be going up tonight. I also will be offering the grocery stickers because they are already completely done. I will also offer these in a 90 count set as a full page grocery buffer sticker set, which is what I'll be doing with all my stickers as well, except for the no spins currently right now. And those will also go up in the shop for a full page grocery sticker set. Again, those will be 90 count if you buy the sticker set by itself. So our stickers are finally getting ready to launch on our shop. Again, it is Challenge Your Wallet over on Etsy. I will link that down below in the description box. Thank you again for the question that was given to me about how come I am actually going ahead of the days of what it is and knowing how I'm planning out my weeks, because I'm very, very tight on what happens. And again, if something does happen and I have to pull a sticker off and I do have to change it to an expense day, then I will do so. But I'm very, very tight on what's going on right now, because paying off debt right now is my top priority, because I am getting ready to put together my tiny house binder, which will hopefully be our next home. So with that being said, questions, comments, concerns, suggestions, throw them down at the comment section down below. I'll catch you there. Until then, take care, y'all. Bye for now.